Hello friends, I am Sheetal Pathak here. Welcome back to my channel Creatively Made in Home. Today's video is yet another project from the Christmas ornament series. Today we are gonna see how to make this beautiful white hanging ball for your Christmas tree. For this project I am using light worsted yarn. You can say medium number 3 or even thinner yarn is better for this project. And size E, that is 3.5 mm crochet hook. So let us start with a magic ring. First make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Now in this magic loop make 12 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So here are my 12 double crochet, first 3 chains and then 12 double crochet in this magic loop. Now pull this tail yarn so that the loop will get tightened. Pull as much as you can, so there should not be any hole in the center. Now go to the third chain, this top chain that we made first 3 chain, out of that the third chain, insert hook in that and make a slip stitch. This completes our first round with 3 chain and 12 double crochet. Make 3 chain again for the round 2. Now we'll do 2 double crochet in each stitch. So in the first stitch make 2 double crochet, in the same stitch again go to the next stitch, 2 double crochet, similarly work till the end. As we had 12 double crochet in the first round, we will have 24 double crochet in this round. So here I have completed my 24 double crochet. Again in the top chain insert hook and make a slip stitch to complete round 2 here. So first 3 chain and 24 stitches in round 2 we will have. Again make chain 3. Now in the first stitch make 2 double crochet, in the next 1, again 2 in the next, 1 in the next. So alternately 1 will increase. So in the first stitch we will make 2 double crochet, 1 more in the same stitch, then just 1 in the next, again 2 in the next, and 1 in the next. Similarly repeat till the end. We will be increasing at the alternative stitches, so total increase will be of 12 stitches. So in this third round we will have 36 stitches. So here I have completed my third round with 36 stitches. Again insert hook in the third chain and make a slip stitch. Now we will do fourth and the last round. Again make chain 3. Now we will do 1 single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then increase 1 1 increase 1 1 increase, like this across. So in the first stitch make 1 double crochet, next 1 double crochet, and in the third make 2 double crochet, 1, again same, 1 more, and then 1 1 and then increase 2. Again 1 1 2, like this repeat till the end. Again we'll be increasing 12 stitches, so we will have 48 stitches in this round. So here I have completed my 4 rounds. Now for the border I'm gonna use this golden thread. This is a little thinner than my yarn, but just for border I'm gonna use it. If you have golden yarn of the same weight, that would be great. So here I have completed my last stitch. I insert hook in the 3rd chain, and then I'll grab my golden yarn and I'll pull it through the chain and this white color yarn so that the loop will get tightened. Then hold this tail yarn and working yarn and pull it through this loop. Pull out the tail yarn so the knot will get formed. Now keeping little tail yarn, I'll cut the white yarn. Now I'll hold both these tail yarns together while working so they'll get hidden inside. Now let's make one single crochet in each stitch. So go to the next stitch, hold both these tail yarns and make one single crochet. I am keeping this stitch little loose because this yarn is a thread and thinner than what I have used for this. Otherwise you can maintain the same thickness if you have same weight yarn. Go to the next, make single crochet. So here I have completed the entire round, and to finish the last stitch, insert in the first single crochet and make a slip stitch. Pull out the yarn and cut it. Then you can hide this tail yarn in this book. Like this we will need 8 circles. Now these are our 8 circles done with the golden border. Now what we'll do, one by one we'll take this, this is the right side, this is the wrong side, okay. Fold it into half like this, and approximately in the center we will sew it in this direction. Halfway we will sew it just with any normal thread, same white color we'll use. Almost check the center and we will connect in this line straight. Tie the knot and done. So however this portion is connected and we have 2 leaves like this. Similarly we'll do with all these 8 pieces. I have connected all of my circles in from the center. Now take 4 of them and we will sew them, hold them like this, and we will sew them together along this length. This is halfway, so we will connect them along this length. So better to connect them first from the center. So start connecting first centers like this, then go like this and then connect this way. So go through and through all the 4 halves. Like this. So here I have connected 4 pieces together, 1 2 3 4 and 4 this way. They are like this with the opening like this. That will connect later. First now we'll hold them together like this and we will sew them here. We have to connect these 2 pieces to these 2 like this and this to this. Like this we will do sewing. So go through and through both this and then through this side, both through this and then through this. Now go through all this side so that we can connect them together like this on this side as well as on this side. Sew them tightly so that they will all come closer like this. Now I have finished sewing both the points. Now we will start connecting these 2 like that in the center. These 2 like this. So I have taken my yarn from one of this center and the alternate text. These 2 we are connected single pieces, half. Now one piece of this and one other piece of that. Almost center of this point and where we have connected that center you select and just 2-3 stitches here so that these 2 sides get connected at this point. Just like that. Now anyway we have thin white color thread only, so we don't need to keep on tying knot everywhere. We can just pass it through our this yarn work, just one side. So this is not getting connected. I'm just passing through this one portion so that my needle will come on the other side like this, just to avoid cutting and not putting knot everywhere. I'm just passing through this one flap. I brought my yarn here, I brought my thread here. This is almost the center from here to here. Now I'll hold this and this together and put few stitches here. Like this. Similarly this one and the other sides, this one half and this side, these 2 halves. Connect them together with few stitches so this will open up like XX shape. So here I have connected and my ball is ready. Isn't it looking very beautiful? Now take your hook and insert in any 2 stitches like this. Grab your golden color yarn, pull it through both the stitches and start making few chains. This we'll use to hang our ball on the Christmas tree. Make few chains and fold it into half like this and check if the length is enough. If you want more long, make more chains. I need few more chains. This length is enough for me. So go to the opposite side 2 stitches, insert hook there and make a single crochet and a slip stitch. Then cut the yarn. Now tie a couple of knots between the first tail and this last tail yarn so that both the ends will come more closer. Insert hook in the ball in the center and pull both the tail yarns through the ball center so they will go hidden inside the ball. And a beautiful white Christmas tree hanging ball is ready. How you like it? Please let me know in the comment. I have made couple of more Christmas decoration project, this hanging ball and a Christmas lollipop. So please do check out those videos also. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, give it a like, thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.